Yo, what is up? So today is day 3 walking 20,000 steps a day, and I'd like to share some insights that I'm getting from doing this challenge. One of the main things I learned yesterday was that whenever you do something like this, you walk 20,000 steps a day, you really start to see the areas in life that start to distract you from your goal, your vision. And whenever you commit to, say, getting 20,000 steps a day, if you can do that, you will start to change your attitude and change how you deal with the outside circumstance. Like, you know, a friend will come over or something like that, and you'll look at your phone and you're like, well, I still need to get the steps in. So it's either, you know, you're gonna be part of this, or, you know what I mean, like, this isn't gonna work. Not in like a harsh way. It's just like, I'm just gonna have to go off and do this, and then we can hang out after. And it just develops like greater, you know, time management, because eventually you will want to manage your life in a way that you're incorporating the walking as part of your life. So I'm a YouTuber, and you know, getting up early in the morning, going for a walk as I've done today, and getting the steps in and recording a video, it's like peeling 2 bananas with one hand. So you learn things like that. And another thing that I'm learning right now is also how beneficial stretching and doing yoga is whenever you're doing this challenge. So whenever I do my 40-minute kinetic yoga from the channel Return to Kemet, check it out if you haven't seen it. Whenever I do the 40-minute deep and penetrative kinetic yoga, doing a lot of like hip stretches, pigeon pose, all these different things, pyramid. Whenever I do that, you know, the walks feel so much more effortless. It just feels more comfortable. And from my experience, because I've done a lot of walking challenges, I can share my honest opinion. If you want to have an enjoyable walking experience, yoga is something I highly recommend. Yoga is something I highly recommend, especially if you're doing big miles on a daily basis. Because if you keep walking and walking and walking, and you're not doing something like yoga or some deep stretches, etc., here and there, to iron out the muscle soreness and stuff like that, then your walking experience isn't going to be as enjoyable. In terms of longevity, you're not going to last as well as you would and have an enjoyable experience unless you do some form of yoga, some form of stretching. So every day is a new day. Every day is a new day for adventure. And yeah, I'm loving this challenge, and I'm loving making this part of my lifestyle again, to walk this much. So that being said, peace and love. I'm out.